guys how to make your eyeliner and lipstick last longer. Longer in the sense like, you know, like 8 hours, 9 hours, so much longer, and just with one single product. I am seriously excited to skip directly into the video, so see what's going on. For this video, I am going to use a Lakme eyeliner, a very simple eyeliner. And I'm using this for so long, it's really good, but the problem in this eyeliner, it smudges and it doesn't last that longer, because you know when I apply it, it will be in a black color, and after that the color changes to somewhat ash and then it just goes off. I tried the trick with this eyeliner and it lasted for 8 hours, and the most important thing is the color didn't fade at all. And the next is my favorite lipstick, the Revlon, and I really love this lipstick a lot, but when I eat, the lipstick really goes off and you know it's not that matte. So with this powerful ingredient, I'm going to make this lipstick and eyeliner last longer. So the secret ingredient is my setting powder. For this, I am going to take my setting powder and apply above my eyes, the area where I'm going to apply my eyeliner. So in my eyelids here, like 2 to 3 times, 2 to 3 layers. I'll apply this first, and then in this side of my eyes. So now I'm going to take my eyeliner and apply it above my eyelids. You know, when after applying my setting powder and then applying my eyeliner, I'm able to apply my eyeliner in a very smooth way. The surface is really smooth and it lasts longer. So this eye. So I'm done applying my eyeliner. After that, you shouldn't forget to apply your mascara, because you know, since you have applied a powder on your eyelids, what happens is you have to close your eyes and then apply your mascara like this, and then again above here. Now close your eyes this side. And then here. Ta-da! It's done! So now the second tip is, I'm going to use my Revlon lipstick. So before that, I'm going to remove this lipstick. So now I have like fully removed my lipstick, and now I'm going to use my favorite Revlon lipstick on my lips. I'm using a pink shade. This shade is a little bit, you know, glossy. So I've applied my favorite lipstick on my lips now. After this, again I'm going to use my Kryolan setting powder. For this, I am taking a brush, and then I'm going to go So now you can see the result, guys. The lipstick was like more shiny and more glossy before. Now you can see it is totally matte and And one more thing is this lipstick lasts longer than the glossy ones, because you know when the glossy ones, whenever you eat, it just sticks on your teeth, or else when the hair flies, it just goes and sticks on your lips. But this is not there. You can like enjoy yourself whenever you go out with the winds, and you eat whatever you want, and your lipstick is not going to go off. So hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope these 2 tips are very useful to you all, and you should really try all these things and post down in the comments below. So meet you in my next video. So this is SD Krish signing out. Bye bye, take care.